Click on the link below to get price. The ANCHER Electric Bike for adults is an outstanding blend of power, efficiency, and practicality. With a peak 750W motor, it offers an exhilarating ride, easily handling inclines and rough terrain. Whether commuting through city streets or exploring countryside trails, this bike delivers a smooth and responsive experience. The motor provides impressive torque, making it easy to reach speeds of up to 28 miles per hour, all while maintaining stability and control. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its rapid 3-hour charging capability. In today's fast-paced world, a quick recharge means less downtime and more time enjoying the ride. The 50 miles of range on a single charge allows for extensive journeys without the worry of running out of power, making it ideal for both daily commutes and weekend adventures. The frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, promising durability without sacrificing weight. Weighing around 55 pounds, it strikes a balance that allows for easy maneuverability while still feeling sturdy. The design is sleek and modern, appealing to a wide range of riders. With a 21-speed transmission system, riders can effortlessly switch gears to match their riding conditions. The bike is equipped with front and rear disc brakes, providing excellent stopping power even in wet conditions. This feature adds an important layer of safety, particularly for those who ride in urban environments. The addition of LED lights enhances visibility during nighttime rides, ensuring you can be seen by others on the road. Comfort is not overlooked either. The adjustable seat and front suspension fork help absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, making long rides much more enjoyable. However, some users may find the seat a bit firm for extended use, which is something to consider based on personal preference. Overall, the ANCHER Electric Bike for adults is a fantastic investment for anyone looking for a reliable, powerful, and stylish e-bike. Its combination of speed, range, and features makes it an excellent choice for both casual riders and serious cyclists alike.